In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove order history in Swiggy. So if you want to remove your order history on Swiggy for whatever reason, unfortunately, there is no direct way to delete the past orders in Swiggy just by using this the Swiggy app. But what we can do is, like as a workaround, you can try to use the incognito mode. So for example, if you're making an order, let's say I'm going to just make an order. For example, let me add an order to my cart. So just add it. Okay, so when you go to your cart, so once you have added a order, when you go to your cart, so what you can do before you check out, so for example, let me choose an address. Okay, so I've got this order now. Okay, I didn't check out yet, I didn't do the payment yet, but when you get to this stage here, before you do the payment, click on the three dots on your top right. Okay, when you click on the top right, you'll see there's an option called turn on incognito mode. So when you turn this on, what happens is that the order that you will be making now will not be saved. Okay, so what happens is that this order will vanish from your history. After it's been delivered, it will vanish. Okay, so this is a workaround that you can use in order to if you don't want to save your order history, so you can use this incognito mode to do that. Okay, and also if you can also try to contact the customer support team and see if they can help it. So if you really want to delete an order, you can try to reach out to the customer support and ask them if they can delete it for you. Just give them a valid reason, so they might help you out. And another way that you can do this is, for another alternate, is that you can create a new account. So you can leave your current account, just leave it, create a new account, and then when you make orders on new accounts, just make the order on the incognito mode that I just showed you. So in that way it won't get saved. So these are the workarounds we have at this point, as there's no direct ways of deleting it. And that's basically pretty much it is.